Hello, parents and caregivers. Today, we're going to explore some simple yet effective ways to prevent cavities in our little ones and ensure they have healthy smiles for a lifetime. Let's dive in. First and foremost, instill good brushing habits early on. Use a soft bristled brush and fluoride toothpaste. Encourage your child to brush for 2 minutes, twice a day. Make brushing fun. Play their favorite song or use a timer to make it an enjoyable routine. This not only keeps their teeth clean, but also establishes a positive association with dental care. Nutrition plays a crucial role. Limit sugary snacks and beverages, and opt for tooth-friendly choices like fruits, veggies, and dairy products. Remember, a balanced diet contributes to strong teeth. Encourage water as the primary drink. It not only keeps your child hydrated, but also helps rinse away food particles, reducing the risk of cavities. Regular dental checkups are key. Schedule your child's first visit by their first birthday, and maintain regular appointments to catch any potential issues early on. Consider dental sealants. These protective coatings on molars help prevent cavities in those hard-to-reach areas. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in ensuring our children have bright and healthy smiles. Thanks for joining us with Sree Dental Hospital on this journey to prevent cavities in our little ones. For any dental issue, consider visiting Sree Dental Hospital, Kothapet, one of the biggest dental hospital in Hyderabad.